Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is project number 3 in the Daisy Daydream March 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. And honestly, you could stamp your greeting and put it right on here and we'd be done. But we have all of these die cuts to really lift this up. So let's get started. We are going to stamp Sweetest Birthday Wishes onto the greeting banner. And my apologies, my instructions are going to be out of the way just for now because I have these all set up the way it is in the picture so I can make sure that I've got everything in the right order to do this. So we're going to stamp this down, Sweetest Birthday Wishes. There we go. And I like that this kit doesn't say honey or anything like that in it. It's just, it references like sweet honey, the Sweetest Birthday Wishes. You can use that anywhere. So what we need to do is we need to put 3 adhesive dots on the back of the greeting banner. Okay, let's do that. And then we're going to peel these off. And when you see me throwing stuff off to the side, I've actually got a little dish here. So I'm not actually just throwing things on my counter, although there's nothing wrong with that either. So there we go. And then Sweetest Birthday Wishes goes right about here like this. So we're just going to tuck that down like that. Sweetest Birthday Wishes. Okay, now let's bring in our pieces. I need to put dimensionals and dots on these. Now, the only thing that gets a dot is the bumblebee. So I'm going to put the adhesive dot on the bumblebee. That's done. And now I need to put dimensionals on the back of the flowers. So this little one gets one there. The big one, the big kind of half cone flower shaped one goes there. And then I'm putting one in the middle of this one and one up like that. Okay, so those are all done. And then this big one, I'm putting one in the middle. Am I just putting one in the middle on that one? It's hard to see with the hexagons. Yep, I'm just putting one in the middle on that one. And then I'm putting 2 on this little one. It goes up like this, and I put one here and one here like this. Okay, and then I take one of the, okay, I'll do the hexagons later. Let's finish this. Okay, and then I'm going to do this and this. Okay, so where are we at? Now I need to take my large flower up here, like this, and this flower down here. We're just going to peel the backings off here. And we need to put our little beehives on them. This one goes on like this. And this one goes on like this. Okay, now let's build our card up. Okay, so this is the large flower and it goes on like this. And we're going to put it on. It does match exactly. There we go. So it really gives you a good 3D effect. And this little one goes on up here like this. And this one goes on over top of the greeting like that. Okay, now we have this one down. We are going to fill in the rest. And this is the one, it's got the beehive on it down here. And this one goes right here, I think. Yeah, right here, like this. Okay. And it should have more of the beehive coming out, but it doesn't, but that is okay. So let's now just add the rest of these on. We've got the last 2 daisies and the bumblebee to do. And this one goes down here like this. And then this one goes up here like this. And I'm just going to put a little bit higher so that it doesn't cover up the greeting. And then what are we doing with the bumblebee? The bumblebee is right down here at the bottom. So let's just add our bumblebee, and that is our 3 projects completed. We're just going to pop our bumblebee down like that. There we go. So that is our kit for Daisy Daydream Paper Pumpkin March 2025. That is project number 3. So stay tuned for that first alternate card.